ma'am.
My name is Pranayal and today I am taking your IELTS speaking test. Okay. So what is your name?
My name is Jasprit Kaur.
How may I call you?
You can address me with my first name as Jasprit.
Okay, Jasprit, where you come from?
I am from Tarn, which is one of the district of Punjab, like northern part of India.
Okay, what is your hobby?
I have a lot of hobbies, and most of the time I like to listen music and reading books. Moreover, I like to do gardening.
Okay, let's talk about computers. How much time do you spend using a computer?
I approximately spend 2 to 3 hours a day on computer because it is very beneficial in several ways, like gathering the information and using the social media.
Okay, how often do you see the internet?
I see internet everyday basis because it is very beneficial to get the information about your surrounding. Moreover, to get a lot of updates about your country or the international level.
Okay, do you prefer shopping online or in real stores?
I prefer online shopping to the street shopping because it is very convenient for person to get the items while sitting at the home. Moreover, we can have the large quantity of the clothing or another items on online.
Okay, what are some things you like and dislike about using computers?
Computer has both benefits and drawbacks. The benefit of computer is that it is very convenient for humans to get the information within the seconds. Moreover, it is very effective on eyes of the humans, and people often lose their eyesight due to the lot of usage of computer.
Okay, let's move to the second part. And if you can describe your favorite subject you studied in school, and your questions are: what are the subject was, in which grade or grades you studied, what kind of things you learn about it, and explain what you like about it. You have 1 minute for the preparation. Okay, your time is over now. Start speaking.
During school time, we learn a lot of subjects which are very beneficial as a maths for the basic requirement on an everyday basis. Here I am going to talk about my favorite subject. We learn a lot of subjects during our school days, and there are different kind of subjects such as math and science. Today I am going to talk about my favorite subject. It was art and craft. I was very fond of creativity and imagination from such kind of a subject from my childhood, as it required creativity and imagination. From my childhood, I always like to bring a lot of drawing books at my home, and then I always draw a lot of things on it. But when I entered the school, my teacher taught me a lot of things related to the art and craft, and she taught me a lot of new techniques, how to do the different kind of skills in this field. And during my elementary school days, I had learned to do painting on a canvas, moreover sketching, and the most favorite thing was to make a portraits because it is very unique way to draw the human on the page, and we have to make the whole practice very realistic, and that was a different from another subjects, while another subjects need a cramming or the information that we get from the book, whereas this is a subject in which we need our imagination and the brain to do something unique. And this was a different kind of subject that I learned from my teacher, and she was very lenient with me because she taught me a lot of things, and she always praised me for my creativity that I use in such kind of a field. And I think choosing such kind of subject in my life, I can be a better artist, and I love this subject very much.
Okay, let's move to the third part. And Your first question is what subject should be required in school?
The maths and science subjects are the prerequisite subjects at every school because those are required on our everyday basis, such as maths. While shopping in our groceries, we need a math and science for the hygienic of the human being.
Okay. At what age should students be allowed to choose their own subject?
After elementary school, students should be allowed to choose their subjects according to their interest because they can get a good grades, good marks if they choose their interested subjects.
Okay. Do you think math and science are more important subject than history and art?
I think every subject have their own preference and they have their own importance in the society. And such as history, it is very important subject in every class as we can learn a lot of things about our ancestors and how we work into human beings from the monkeys. Apart from that, maths are required because we need it on everyday basis.
Okay. So what subjects should school offer in the future that they do not offer now?
I think in future subjects will be add on and the subjects like art and craft will be add on and the subjects like art and craft and music will be add on in future as people are getting interest in such kind of subjects as a lot of new things has been developed in such kind of a stream and they are having a great economy for every nation.
Okay, you introduce